Good morning, Miss Salvacion Antonio.
Good morning. I am Salvacion Antonio, 42 years old, married, and have 3 children. I am graduated at Technological University of the Philippines, taking up nutrition and food technology. About my working experience, I work at Umal Queen, UAE, as a domestic helper for 2 years.
What are the duties and responsibilities of a domestic helper?
Well, when I was there, I was a cook, but at the same time, washing clothes, ironing, taking care of their children, especially during Fridays.
What do you think the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Being loyal to them, hard work, honest, obedience, and most especially, being respectful to my lawyer.
Can you tell us the proper way of taking care of newly born baby and children?
Well, of course, we need to look after the baby, feeding and changing diapers. About the children, check attend their needs, preparing the foods, and especially tutoring if needed.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Itchy bitchy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed them all about. Out came the sun and washed them all away. And itchy bitchy spider went up the spout again.
In case you make a mistake, what will you do?
Inform my employer right away so that every mistake I've done will be punished right away.
How will you battle homesickness?
Sickness, you have to focus on your work, pray, and always get busy.
What is your message and promise to your future employer?
To my dear employer, I promise, if you're going to hire me, my loyalty to my duties and especially my responsibility as a worker. Thank you.
Thank you for coming, Miss Salvacion Antonio, and